everyone, it's DL. I have a little haul to share with you. I got to order some scrapbooking stuff for the store that we worked at, so I pretty much got one of everything that I liked. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. Here we go. This came from American Crafts. So this is like the bloomers from Webster. I love it. It's so pretty. It's red. I don't know if you can tell or not with the glare. So I got that. And then I also got a black one. It's so pretty. I can't wait to use it on a scrapbook page. Oh my goodness, or a card. So exciting. I love it. I got Tim Holtz Distress Inks. I got the Chip Sapphire, and I got Wild Honey. I also got the Crushed Olive and the Antique Linen. So 4 more to add to my collection. I got the Iridescent Gold Glimmer Mist, the Sweet Clover, the Delphinium. So pretty. I don't know if you can see that. Like, it's very, very nice. And I got the Slack, which is really pretty too. I just got one little smooch spritz, and it is the Cosmo Pink. So it's really nice. I love it. I got some bling, some Prima blings. I got the pink, Say It With Pearls, and then I got the E-lines. Those three the same. I got the Serendipity die cuts, the cardstocks. So there's tons in there. I think there's 32 pieces, it says. So lots of everything. Open it up and give you a sneak peek. Butterflies and birds, flowers, more butterflies, romance, the crown, big butterfly, family, love, another bird, some more flowers, and then some sayings, dream sweet, some more flowers, memories, best friends, laugh out loud. That is so cute. I love that. Big flower, true love, beautiful. So yeah, so that's that. Put those away after. Oh, some more Prima blings, the Say It in Pearls, the white ones. And I got some Prima flowers, the aqua. They're so pretty. I love them. I got these Chit Chat stickers from 3 Bugs in a Rug. So they got the butterflies, all kinds of things. So got those. I got the Alice in Wonderland, the Halloween in Wonderland, I guess it is. And you've all seen that, so don't really need to open it. I got the On the Boardwalk by Graphic 45 as well. I love that. So pretty. Look. Awesome. And I got some keys, some Tim Holtz keys, the Ideology, the word keys. I got this. I've been so wanting this. The summer collection, Summer in Paris. I love it. I can't wait to use this. I'm going to have to actually try it out tonight. Open it up and try it out tonight. I got the Cuddle Bug, the dies for the circles. I guess there's the 2-inch ones. I'm not sure. 4 dies. Doesn't really say. We got those because they'll be good for making lollipop flowers. And I got a Tim Holtz Alterations, the hardware findings. I love that, so I'm really stoked about that. What else here? I got a little mini album here that I'm going to use to put my cousin's First Communion mini in it. So she likes pink and sparkly, so I thought it would be a good one for her to have her album in. And I got the Domestic Goddess graphic 45 paper. It is so nice too. Like, it's fabulous. I'm super stoked for this, to use this. I got that. And then I got a couple of sheets of the Communic paper. I got 2 of those, and they're double-sided. It's got the postage. And I got this one here, and this is the same one. Communic, I guess is what it is. So bad for pronouncing words. So I got 2 of those, and then I got here to the society page. So I got 2 of those, and then that's the back on those. And I got a white pen. And then I also got this here from K & Company, and it's Serendipity Paper Pack, specialty paper, so you get 2 glitted, 2 foil, and 8 flat, so I think that'll be fun to work with too. Sorry about the glare there, ladies. And that's my haul! Oh, wait, a few more things. I didn't get these through the order here, but I went to the dollar store, and I got some tickets, big roll of tickets, so if anybody wants any, let me know. I have more than enough to share. And I also got these beads. They're kind of cool. They're like flowers, and then they have like paint splattered on them. They're really cool, so I thought they'd be kind of fun to play with. And then I also got 4 stamps. I got Happy Halloween, got some popsicles, a present, and some flip-flops. So that's my haul, ladies. Thanks for watching. Hope you all have a great day. Bye-bye.